To weld aluminum with MIG, you need MIG Welder with 10-foot torch, Teflon liner included in KickingHorse Aluminum kit, aluminum drive roller included in KickingHorse Aluminum kit, aluminum contact tip included in KickingHorse Aluminum kit, ER 5356 wire, purchased separately. Step 1. Replace the torch liner. Remove the torch nozzle. Remove the steel wire contact tip. Turn the gas diffuser anti-clockwise to remove it from MIG torch. Now you can see the steel liner. Keep the torch lead as straight as possible, and then remove the lock nut at the Euro connection. Pull the steel liner out of the torch. Save the steel liner for future use. Don't lose the rubber seal ring. Install the Teflon liner by pushing the metal end into the torch cable until it sticks out about 2 inches. Install the gas diffuser to the torch head and push the liner back to make sure they have good contact. Install the aluminum contact tip included in the KickingHorse Aluminum kit. Put the gas nozzle back. Turn the copper fitting on the Teflon liner anti-clockwise to remove it from the liner. Thread the lock nut through the Teflon liner and install it back to the Euro connection. Replace the drive roller. Remove the steel drive roller. Remove the wire inlet guide. Use a needle nose plier to take out the brass wire outlet guide tube. Use the brass wire outlet guide tube as a measure to determine the Teflon liner's stick-out length. Cut the liner. Double-check the length is correct before cutting the liner. Replace the wire inlet guide tube with a Teflon liner with the same length. Install the aluminum drive roller included in the KickingHorse Aluminum kit onto the wire feeder. The side shows currently used wire size must face inward. Install the wire inlet guide back. Install the MIG torch. Use a needle nose plier to adjust the liner close to the feeding groove. Install the wire. Take the wire off from the wire holding hole on the spool. Use finger to hold the wire against spool all the time to avoid wire loosening and messing up. Cut off the bended part. Thread the wire into the wire inlet guide and outlet guide tube. Close the upper pressure roller. Now you can release the finger and let go of the wire. Mount the wire spool to the spool holder. Close the cap and tighten it. Finally, adjust the wire pressure to desired value. Steel wire set to 4 to 5, aluminum and flux cord wire set to 2 to 3. Save the steel liner, Teflon liner, steel drive roller, liner fitting, wire inlet guide tube, and wire outlet guide tube for switching to weld steel in the future. Now, using pure argon gas, you can weld aluminum with regular MIG welder and regular MIG torch.